This is a document from Ability Office, a cheaper alternative to Microsoft Word. Word can usually import this text, but formatting might break. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's convert it. Keep watching until the end. This solution is entirely reliant on one powerful AWW file inspection tool that you can use for hundreds of other file issues and formats. The AWW file extension is associated with Ability Write document files. These files are created and used by Ability Write, a word processing application. They contain formatted text, images, and other elements to create documents such as letters, reports, and articles. AWW files store document content in a proprietary format specific to Ability Write. The format supports various text formatting options, including fonts, styles, and paragraph settings. It also allows for the embedding of images and other multimedia elements within the document. The internal structure is not publicly documented. For managing AWW files, the best dedicated software is Ability Write from SoftMaker. The basic data is there, but Windows cannot process the specific formatting tags required. Windows supports basic document viewing, but full editing must occur in appropriate software. Go to your file and right-click the AWW file, choosing Open With. If Ability Write is an option, select it immediately. If it's unavailable, choose another. We need to test the file against all compatible programs. If you cannot access the AWW file, no problem. Alright, the simple solution is out. We need to isolate the issue with the AWW file. Move on to these essential troubleshooting measures right away. First, use Ability Write. Open the file using Ability Write, part of the Ability Office suite. Next, use Alternative Viewer. Open the file using Microsoft Word or LibreOffice Writer. Finally, convert to DOCX PDF. Use the software's export function to save the file as a universal format like .docx or PDF. If your system cannot parse your AWW structure, the issue is likely that the extension name is shared by a program you don't have. At this stage, manual testing is exhausted. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. Get the FileMagick Universal tool now. It's my top recommendation for opening your stubborn AWW file instantly. FileMagick.com. Stay tuned for more expert solutions next week. Did the fix work for you? Leave a quick comment below and be sure to subscribe so you catch the next video.